a time when you'll need someone. I will be by your side, darling. Open your eyes. Let me show you the light. You may never find a love that's right, darling. Open your eyes. Let me show you the light. You may never find a love that's right.
Get out of Tiananmen West subway station and then walk along Zhongshan Street. We will enter Zhongshan Park from its west gate. We are now at the Zhongshan Park. I'm gonna enjoy our lunch in this beautiful, although small but dedicated, beautiful park, which was much more quiet with the separate trains. Could be over 300 years. And we have the sunshine on my back, had the fresh air breeze to my face, and under the such flourish trees in the spring. The tulip has winter blossom in every April.
有点谢了，这两天风大。这个是刚开的，这都谢了。这两天北京降温了。
We walked northward to the north of the Forbidden City. And behind me it's the Forbidden City, famous tourist spot of Beijing. And this river was a guardian city river is to protect the palace. Then we went south to the Maxim Pavilion. And you see these 4 separate trains, all are so big and so old. After that, we made our way around to the main buildings of Zhongshan Park, namely Zhongshan Town and the altar of the land and green. So real to see such a big architecture in the modern days. You see the modern architecture, all those shallow and too high. And I love this such architecture which has a big base ground. Do some cover selfies in every famous spot. We are visiting these flowers, they went to their blossom. So in this season there will be so many visitors. Pink flower and the fresh green, they are weaving into a beautiful picture of spring. Keep walking southward, pass through the plum garden and reach the ancient train area. They are all Chinese Chujia trains that are thousands of years old. Keep walking southward and we will arrive at the gallery. Actually, the south gate is the largest gate of Zhongshan Park and it's also located to the west of Tiananmen, so you can also enter the park through the south gate.